Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to tackle those annoying hair issues that just seem to pop up out of nowhere? We're heading into 2026, and while we're living in the future, some hair problems are timeless. Frizz, dryness, split ends. Sound familiar? Well, you've come to the right place. Today I am sharing 10 super quick and effective fixes for the most common hair problems you're likely facing right now. These are simple tricks and product recommendations that will completely change your hair game. So grab a notebook and let's dive in and give your hair the love it deserves. First up, the eternal enemy, frizz. You know the drill. You spend ages styling your hair, and the second you step outside, poof, instant halo of frizz day. The quickest fix for this is a silk or satin pillowcase. Seriously, cotton absorbs moisture from your hair, roughing up the cuticle and causing frizz. Silk allows your hair to glide smoothly, keeping it sleek. For an on-the-go solution, keep a tube of anti-frizz serum or a styling cream handy. Just a tiny piece-sized amount smoothed over the frizzy areas can instantly tame those flyaways without weighing your hair down. Look for products with ingredients like argan oil or shea butter. Next, let's talk about oily roots and dry ends. It's such a frustrating combination. Your scalp is screaming for a wash, but your ends are begging for moisture. The fix: strategic washing and conditioning. Only apply shampoo to your scalp where the oil is produced. When you rinse, the suds will run down and gently cleanse the rest of your hair. Then, apply conditioner only from the mid-lengths to the ends, avoiding the roots entirely. This gives each part of your hair exactly what it needs. A great addition to this routine is a weekly clarifying shampoo to deep clean your scalp and remove product buildup that can contribute to oiliness. Problem number 3, split ends. While the only true cure for split ends is a trim, you can temporarily mend them and prevent more from forming. A split end mending serum is your best friend here. These products use polymers to temporarily seal the split cuticle, making your hair look healthier and smoother. It's like a temporary glue for your hair. To prevent them in the first place, be gentle. Avoid aggressive towel drying. Instead, gently squeeze water out with a microfiber towel. And please, turn down the heat on your styling tools. Is your hair feeling dry and brittle, like straw? This is a cry for hydration. A super quick fix is a leave-in conditioner spray. After you shower, while your hair is still damp, spritz it all over. This provides a continuous layer of moisture throughout the day. For a deeper treatment, try a DIY hair mask. A simple mix of 1 mashed avocado and a tablespoon of olive oil can work wonders. Apply it to your hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes before shampooing, and you'll feel an immediate difference in softness and shine. Your hair will thank you for the extra nourishment. Let's move on to fine limp hair that just won't hold any volume. The struggle for body is real. A game-changing fix is to switch up your part. If you always part your hair on the left, try parting it on the right or in the center. Your hair gets trained to lie flat in its usual spot, so changing it forces the roots to stand up, creating instant lift. Another pro tip is to blow dry your hair upside down. This directs the roots away from the scalp, giving you a major volume boost that lasts. Finish with a light hold texturizing spray or texture powder to lock it in without weighing it down. What about the opposite problem? Hair that's too thick and feels heavy or unmanageable. The right haircut is key here. Ask your stylist for internal layers or texturizing. This removes bulk from the inside of your haircut without sacrificing length, making your hair feel lighter and easier to style. When styling, use a smoothing cream before you blow dry. This will help control the volume and make your hair more cooperative. Sectioning your hair when you style is also crucial. It gives you more control and ensures every strand gets the attention it needs. Problem number 7 is a flaky, itchy scalp, otherwise known as dandruff. It can be embarrassing, but it's incredibly common. An easy at-home fix is to use a shampoo with active ingredients like ketoconazole, selenium sulfide, or even tea tree oil. These ingredients are specifically designed to combat the fungus that often causes dandruff. When you shampoo, gently massage it into your scalp with your fingertips, not your nails, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Consistency is key with this one. Now for those of you who color your hair, you know the pain of brassy tones. Your beautiful blonde turns yellow, or your rich brunette goes orange. The fix is a color toning shampoo or conditioner. If you're blonde, use a purple shampoo to neutralize yellow tones. If you're a brunette, a blue shampoo will cancel out orange or red brassiness. Use these once or twice a week in place of your regular shampoo to keep your color fresh and vibrant between salon visits. It's like a mini color correcting session right in your shower. Tangled hair that's a nightmare to brush is our 9th problem. This often leads to breakage and frustration. The quickest fix is a good detangling spray and the right technique. Always start brushing from the ends of your hair and slowly work your way up to the roots. Never ever start at the root and pull down through the tangles. This just tightens the knots and rips your hair. A wide tooth comb or a brush specifically designed for detangling wet hair is a must-have tool. This simple change will save you a lot of hair and a lot of headaches. Finally, let's tackle dull hair that has lost its shine. Life can get busy and product buildup, pollution and hot water can all strip your hair of its natural luster. A super fast fix is an apple cider vinegar rinse. After shampooing and conditioning, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Pour it over your hair, let it sit for a minute, and then rinse with cool water. The ACV helps to clarify the hair and seal the cuticle, which makes it reflect more light. The cool water rinse enhances that effect. Your hair will be noticeably shinier, I promise. And there you have it, 10 quick and easy fixes for the most common hair problems we all face. I hope these tips help you feel more confident and in control of your hair. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one was a game changer for you, or if you have any other quick fixes to share with our community. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't want to miss any of our future content. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.